wanted to talk to you about a new series of workshops that I'm in the process of developing and I think might be of interest to you. A lot of things have changed in the past couple of years, and we need to start asking ourselves, where do we want to go next? What is happening? How do we proceed? Not only through the general global situation, but in other ways too. Your interests have changed, the world has changed, your business has changed, your life has moved on, and you want to try to identify where we're going. You came, you saw, the time has come now for you to conquer. Because we are working more and more in a globalized environment, an environment that ensures that your competition is there continuously. They are looking at what you are doing. They are looking at your jobs, at your clients, at your business, and thinking, we could actually take that, be interested in being able to use it. And so as time goes by, you need to start thinking, is there something that I should be doing in order to improve this, in order to improve my career, in order to manage the future of my business? Where are we going? How can we proceed? It's in this concept that I have developed a series of workshops that fit into one another and that cover all the different aspects of project management, general management, organizational management, and even just managing your holidays, whatever it is. When we say management, most people think this is somebody else we're talking about, but you are management. You have to manage your time, you have to manage your home, you have to manage people. We're all managing something or other. We all need to manage our risks, our priorities, and so I'm covering all these different aspects from an organizational point of view, but also from a personal point of view. And this is being done through a series of workshops that build on one another, in which we are trying to cover the various aspects and structure the approach. I'm talking here about some 30 modules that slowly work through all the different aspects of management. Each module should take 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that, and must be at a very affordable price. You might want to buy one, two, several, or all the modules. You might want to work different ways. You might want to take them in a different sequence. All that is fine. They are there, they will be available, they're coming up, and they will be developed and implemented according to the priority given by people who express their interest in it. I don't yet know which ones will be coming first, but we're going to move through this so that the various aspects can come together and we can develop something that pleases you. Of course, there will be rebates, discounts for multiple purchases within the same company. There will be discounts for people who buy multiple modules. There will be different pricing structures for this. If you are interested, you can contact me, express your interest at this address, so bit.ly/intro management, or you can scan the QR code that's on the screen right now and tell me that you're interested. I promise you, I'm not going to be sending you marketing material. I'm not going to be sending you advertising. I'm not going to be bombarding you. But if you express interest, I will keep you informed. If you might be interested but don't want to say it out loud at this point, that's fine. You can contact me through all the usual ways. You can contact me by email, by telephone. You can reach out to me through Calendly and book a discussion for a time that suits you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. And I look forward to hearing from you in the near future.